In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to kickstart and manage a blog using Hostinger's website builder. We'll walk through the steps, ensuring you have all the tools and know-how to get your blog up and running smoothly. So, let's dive in and begin this exciting journey. First things first, head over to Hostinger.com and log in with your existing credentials. This will take you to your dashboard, where you'll need to select the website you wish to edit. Once you've found it, click on Edit Website to launch the Builder interface. This is where all the magic happens. Now, to get your blog feature enabled, look to the left sidebar in the editor and find the Blog option. If you haven't already set up a blog, this is where you can kick things off by clicking on Start a Blog. Doing so will insert a sample blog section complete with posts you can later customize. If you prefer to place your blog in a specific location or on a different page, just click Add Section, choose Blog, and drop it wherever it fits best for your layout and design. Once your blog is set up, you'll likely want to start creating content. Again, in that trusty left sidebar of the editor, choose Blog and click Add New Post. Here's the fun part: drafting your blog post. Enter your title, craft a compelling excerpt, and don't forget the author details. In the post body section, let your creativity flow. You can format your text with blocks, headings, and lists. Spice it up with images or videos, and add links or buttons to engage your readers. Make sure to set or upload a featured image to give your post that polished finish. And when you're satisfied, either save it as a draft to come back to later, or click Publish to share it with the world. Organizing your blog can make a huge difference in user experience. Access the blog panel and navigate to Settings, then Categories or Tags. Click Add New Category, give it a name, and save. You can assign these categories or tags to each post by visiting its post settings. If you want to feature posts from only a specific category in a section, click on that blog section on your page. Enable Filter by Category, and select your chosen category to curate the content display. Before you go live, it's crucial to preview your work. Click Preview at the top right to see how your blog looks on both desktop and mobile devices. This ensures your audience enjoys a seamless experience. Once you're happy with how everything looks and functions, go ahead and click Publish. Congratulations! Your blog is now live and ready to engage readers. In just a few steps, you've set up a blog that not only reflects your voice, but is also structured to attract and retain your audience. Happy blogging, and stay tuned for more tutorials.